So, have you ever wondered how this subscribe button pops up on every video you've watched? And you're wondering, how was it made? How did they do it? How can I make mine? You've tried so many ways, but you're still not getting it. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to put your own subscribe button on your video. Now, to achieve this, we're just going to make use of one app, which is called CapCut. I believe we all know what CapCut is. And if you don't have CapCut on your phone, kindly download it now so you can go step by step with me as I'll be teaching you. It's going to be a very, really short video. Trust me, it's easier than you even think it is. So I'm going to walk you through as I'm very good at explaining things. Don't worry, you're going to get it on the first try. But if you don't, you're allowed to watch this video over and over and over again till you get it. But I can guarantee you, you'll get it on the first try. Now, before we move on, click on that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed and give this video a thumbs up. It will really help me. It will help the video to help the whole video. Now, let's get into our business for today. I know it's your time.
So the first thing we're going to do is go to our browser and search for pixels.com, pexels.com. So once you do that, the page is going to load up. Okay, the page looks like this. We're going to see the image icon. We're going to change it from photos to videos. You click videos. Now search for YouTube subscribe. So it's going to bring up videos of YouTube subscribe buttons. Okay, so we're going to choose the one with the green screen, but I'm going to watch it first to be sure that that's what I want. So I'll click on it. Okay, this is what I want. I'm going to click on the free download to download it. Now I'm coming to my CapCut. I'm going to pick out the picture that I want through new project. Yeah, I'm clicking this one. Yeah, so after that you're going to look for overlay. After your picture has been imported, you see overlay. Click on it, then add overlay. We're going to add the video which we downloaded, so I'm gonna add it. Now I'm going to look for remove background. We're going to remove the green screen from the subscribe, so I'm going to click on Chrome key, not auto removal, Chrome key. Then I'll click on color picker. So we're going to pick out the green color, move the circle to the green, and yeah. So we're going to increase the intensity to 21, and the shadow we're going to increase it to, I like to increase it to 21 or 23, but I think I'll do 23. 23. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna play it to be sure.
Now, to
Okay, so now I'm going to reduce it to the size I want and place it to where I want. It depends on you, you can do what you want. Yes, so this is how I want it. After that, I'm going to look for the volume. I like to reduce the volume because it's always like extra loud. So I'm going to look for the volume and reduce the volume. It's 37. Okay.
now to achieve.
Very good.
Okay, so that's it, guys. That's how to add subscribe button to your videos. I hope you got value for your time and you were able to get this on your first try. But if you didn't, it's okay. You can always watch and rewatch till you get it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.